Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you are doing good. In this video I will show you how to extract or remove the audio from your video. Let's get started. First I will go to the video project and I will upload the video here. So I have already uploaded in the Canva. I have one of my tutorial here. So I will show you how to remove or extract the audio. So this is the audio I will this is the video I will play and remove the audio. This is the one of my tutorial. Guys, are you looking for a fun and easy way to so it has a voice, it has a audio. So I will remove, I will right click on it and go to, there is an option extract audio here. So it will automatically extract the audio here, as you can see. So I will click on this, or now I will delete this track. Okay, how you can remove the audio and add another audio if you want. If this video is helpful for you, tell me in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.